Yes, this is a new project that I'll be working on. This is a Lanzar Opti 1400.1. This is the older version from back in 2004, 2005. So I got this some days ago and I'll be repairing this. I took the initiative and remove all the MOSFETs already. It had burnt the power supply section and also the amplifier section, so I'll be doing a full repair of this amplifier. This is a Lanzar Opti 1400D. So you can see there, so I'll be doing a full repair of this amplifier in the coming week. I'll be replacing power supply MOSFETs and drivers, and the output MOSFETs and drivers as well. I'll be replacing resistors and some caps on the preamp section or the preamp board. So this is my new project, Opti 1400D Lanzar. It's in dusty condition at the moment, but I'll be cleaning it, so the next time you see this